2:59 a.m. Saturday, October 12th. We're getting ready to head out of here. This is what I've packed. I'm sure you can guess what I'm doing, but I think I might have overpacked. But if I did it like a boss. It's time to load up this car. We're headed to Miami, y'all. That's right, we're getting ready to join Sharon at Sea on their epic group cruise. What's crazy is that Jamie doesn't know I'm coming. The plan is to keep it a secret. He won't find out till we get to the hotel this afternoon. We'll see if we can pull it off, or if he already knows. Looks like we're all set. Let's do this. I'm so excited. This is gonna be epic. We're getting ready to drop Stella B off at Yorkie Doodles.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, Stelly Bird.
Goodbye.
I love you. I love you.
You ready to go? Come on, let's go.
What?
Goodbye, Stella B.
Don't kill me.
Day before cruise day.
That's right. Bye, Bailey Booskins.
Bye.
Stella B, I love you.
Love you, Stella B.
She's sad. We love you, Stella B.
Have fun, y'all.
We will.
See you guys.
Stella's giving us the silent treatment.
In 3/4 of a mile, the destination is on your right.
We're just waiting for our flight to board. It's 8:45 and our flight leaves at 9:35. So I'm gonna sit back and chill for a bit.
Yeah.
I love this song.
Yeah, I swear they never really understand me. I need a comma like I need a Grammy. She lays the flow with her designer panties. Yeah, we eating plenty, check the pantry. From the sound waves to the rebel lines. From the tattered bridges to expensive dishes. Now we eating ends with these new beginnings. Yet the sign a major for the bankroll. But thank the Lord that it dies at penitentiary. Nice guy, but my inside is empty.
We made it. Fort Lauderdale. Miami, here we come. I'm starving. I could eat a side of beef right now. Kelly needs coffee and possibly a nap. I just need to eat. Okay, apparently Kelly found coffee.
Cause these days I've been doing things my way. I can't hide away, make me feel this all on my face.
Okay, we made it to the room. It was a little touch and go. I was afraid I was gonna run into somebody at the hotel as we checked in, but so far we've made it unscathed. I've been communicating with Sharon as my alter ego, Wanda Perlman. So some of you who have seen Wanda Perlman in the chat, now you know that was me. In an effort to stay engaged with the group on Facebook without giving away my identity, Sharon gave me the idea of an alter ego. So, hence, Wanda Perlman was born. But I'm told everyone's partying at the pool. We're gonna head down there now for the big surprise, so let's hope we can pull it off. All right, I just got a martini, and we're getting ready to do this. We're gonna go surprise Jamie, but there's a napkin stuck. Can you get this off? Okay. So let's go see if we can pull this off. You wanna lead the way? I can't open the door with a dirty martini in hand. Which way are they?
To the right.
Okay, over here to the right. We've already run into Mr. Joe McMullen at the bar, so he knows the secret safe. Where is he? Oh, I see him way over there. Okay, so we're coming. We're just gonna try and hide my face with the camera. He's over there. I see him. He's looking at me right now. He doesn't know who I am because I'm hiding my face. It's gonna be epic. Shh. I'm coming up close, quietly. What's up? What are you doing here?
Oh my God.
We're cruising. You're cruising? We're cruising, y'all.
You're cruising.
We're cruising.
How are you cruising?
This has been. I'm Wanda Perlman.
Are you kidding me?
I'm Wanda Perlman.
Are you kidding me?
I'm Wanda Perlman.
Are you kidding me?
Wait a minute.
You guys.
Hello. Yeah, that's mine.
I need it.
We ran into Joe at the bar, and I'm like, shh, don't say anything. What's up, buddy?
What are you doing?
We've had this plan for a while, man.
You guys are coming with?
Since we
Hold on,
booked
I need a minute. Let me try to, I need to get a grip on things right here. Hold on. You're John Klekowski.
That's right. Here
From
in
the
the flesh.
Klekowski channel.
That's right.
And you're Kelly.
And that's Sharon. We're getting ready to cruise with you guys, with everybody.
This is insane.
Are you gonna go with tomorrow?
Yeah.
Oh, you're taking even now. Oh my God.
Did she?
She knows.
Sharon.
Sharon, I've been communicating with Sharon all morning as Wanda
Well,
Perlman.
that's why he turned around, because someone said there's some more vloggers here with a camera, and he turned around and I was like, oh no.
I was walking up to you and I'm like, holding the camera to my face like this so it would block it.
Unbelievable. Dude. I cannot believe you, man. I can't believe
We did it. We pulled it off. Do you have anything to say for yourself?
Yeah, what the
I can edit a nice bagak right there for that.
Yeah, I have something to say. What kind of bull are you pulling that you're just gonna show up here in the middle of our group cruise and show up like
you know me.
like you're the Klekowski?
Cheers, pal.
Unbelievable, dude.
Cheers.
Crazy. Surprises.
We're about to cruise, y'all. A big, giant, begocking ass group of people is going cruising tomorrow morning, Carnival Horizon style.
Yeah. Unbelievable. Are you on? Are we rolling?
Yeah, we're
I don't
rolling.
see my red. Where's the red dot? Is it on? Get in
It's
there.
on. Thanks for booking us.
Oh, you're welcome.
And thanks for all the
Yeah.
help with this elaborate ruse that
Yes,
we
and
had
thank
going
you
on.
for making me feel crazy that these guys had a whole shenanigans going on behind my back.
Yep.
And just surprised.
Sharon booked Wanda Perlman months ago.
Yeah, I have been talking to Wanda Perlman, encouraging her to have a good time, and apparently Wanda Perlman is this guy.
Me.
Weird. Very weird.
Here, you want to see Wanda Perlman's picture?
Yeah, show everybody Wanda Perlman's picture. She looks like, Wanda Perlman looks a lot like the lady from Glee.
She's better looking than I am. Look who just showed up.
Hey!
He begocked me in the lobby, but I ignored him.
I did, and he ignored me.
It was when I was like coming to make the big reveal, and I was like, I just got to keep my head down. So it was so awesome meeting everybody. The surprise seemed to work, so that was fun. But now we're gonna get ready for the cocktail hour. So I have an experiment though that I want to do. Here goes. Right there are all the people who are getting ready to meet up for the cocktail hour. I'm gonna do an experiment and see if this works. Nope, nobody heard a thing. Didn't work. Well, that didn't work. Anthony Plack begocked me in the lobby. I heard him, but I ignored him. So the begock didn't work this time, but such is life. So we're at the cocktail hour. And we're loaded up here. Sharon at Sea provided free pizza. Everybody's mauling pizza all night long. We're having a great time meeting everybody who's going with us. It's gonna be such an exciting day tomorrow. I don't know how much longer I can hold out because I'm really seriously, truly running on 2 hours of sleep and a couple pieces of pizza. I need to re-energize if I'm going to crush this cruise like I anticipate. So we'll see. I don't know if Jamie's gonna let me shut her down early, but I think I'm gonna try. So the free drinks are flowing. And when I say flowing, I mean flowing. Like when you go to the bar, they say, would you like one or two? So of course I'm like, yeah, I'll take two. Why not? But it's wrapping up. But here comes Kelly, double fisted. Check it.
You're out of margaritas, so you have some beer.
What do you got there?
What's up, mother trucker? I'm on camera, yo.
Holy moly! Look at the amount of olives in this thing. Would you like some vodka with your olives? Okay. So the meet and greet pizza party was a smashing success. We ate our fill of pizza, unlimited free drinks if that's what we wanted. But now Anthony Plack, myself, and the beautiful Miss Kelly are all headed to Walmart to gather materials for the cabin crawl, some glue, and a charger for all my cameras. It's an adventure that could only happen on this channel.
Because sometimes luggage will blow a flat and you need to fix that flat on the road. You got to do what you got to do.
Anthony has inflatable luggage tires.
Almost.
Imagine
No,
that.
it's broken pretty bad, but I got it together. I just need something to hold it just for the next trip.
Fair enough.
We'll get it home.
Well, the adventure continues and we haven't even boarded the ship yet.
Exactly. We're off and about.
I'm guessing you never thought you'd see me at Walmart in one of my vlogs. But guess what? We're at Walmart.
We're always at some store.
We're at Walmart, y'all. You can only get this kind of stuff here. What are we doing? It is complete chaos in this store. It's a Saturday night Walmart in Miami. It's every man for themselves. Keep your head on a swivel. We're looking for some apple suckers.
Just grab them. They're $11.98.
And other kind of tchotchkes to give out for the cabin crawl and some electronics. Kelly knows where she's going. I'm just trying not to get run over by the freaking stampede of shopping carts. We're at the beer department. Someone had a great time. Check it. But that's not the only one. Like someone's like randomly walking around and drinking the wine in the store. Look, here's another one. People are just walking around the store drinking wine. All bets are off here at the Walmart in Miami. But they got what you need. Speaking of which, I need some Miller Lite. So did you get what you want?
Yes, I did.
What exactly did you get?
I got Gorilla Tape and some epoxy. So we'll
Nice.
epoxy the living daylights out of it and then put the Gorilla Tape across it. And that
What
should hold it.
exactly happened?
So the bottom of the wheel structure that's on the garment bank fell off.
Oh,
So
nice.
I was able to put it back on the rivet, but it won't stay there without something to adhere it. So go glue. So
Pre-cruise engineering happening.
actually, that's how we do it.
Did you guys party down the whole time?
Yes. You guys need to go wake
It's
up Jamie.
complete chaos.
Lost Jamie.
Yes, it is.
You go find Jamie.
Let's get everybody on the ship.
Right, that's what I'm worried about.
Board the ship now.
Right, now it's time to be adults. We're prepared, but we're gonna shut it down. Everybody say goodnight.
The next morning.
Good morning, all you chicken heads out there. I want to show you something. So, we come back to the room last night after the meet and greet, and Kelly opens her luggage. This is her suitcase. Only to find out that TSA has gone through her bag. They left a nice note to tell us that, right? But can you imagine the look on the TSA guy's face when he opens Kelly's suitcase to see A giant inflatable rubber chicken. Oh, only us. Only us. It's cruise day, y'all. All right, we're out here waiting on the Uber. The Uber is 3 minutes away. We've got some peeps all ready to go.
Don't be taking my Uber, man.
I know who, my Uber is a Jose. Who's yours?
I don't know.
Well,
Our Uber is going to be more Uber than your Uber.
well, we'll see about that, okay?
We have an Uber.
Yeah, you have an Uber. It is cruise day, y'all. Can I get a bagok for Bagoktober?
Bagok! I gotta work on my bagok.
Yeah. We'll get you in bagok shape by the end of this cruise.
You need to do some bagok lessons.
a little
Some
strangle.
bagocking.
We'll do a bagocking class. So, we're about to do this.
Brass.
First Carnival cruise, Horizon. It's gonna be epic. The fun starts now.